Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install TradingView on your Mac step by step. If you prefer using the desktop application instead of the browser version, this is the right way to install it. Let's get started. First, open Safari or any browser on your Mac. In the address bar, type tradingview.com and press enter. This will take you to the official website of TradingView. Once you're on the home page, go to the top menu and click on More. From the drop-down menu, choose Downloads. Then select Desktop Apps. This will redirect you to the official download page. Here, you'll see the option to download TradingView for macOS. Click on Download for macOS, and the file will begin downloading automatically. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the file. A window will appear showing the TradingView icon and the Applications folder. All you need to do is drag the TradingView icon into the Applications folder. That installs the app on your Mac. Once it's finished, close the window and move the installer to the trash. Next, open Finder, go to Applications, and click on TradingView to launch it. If you see a security prompt saying the app was downloaded from the internet, just click Open to confirm. Now sign in with your TradingView account, or create one if you don't already have it. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed TradingView on your Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.